Head of BBA Department, Professor Prabhat, my other faculty colleagues, dear students, and on behalf of all the stakeholders, and particularly the founder and co-founder of this group, Engineer Pankaj Agarwal ji and Engineer Pooja Agarwal ji, feel privileged and honored to welcome Professor M.K. Jha, which is very important for any nation in the point of view of development. He is spearheading those activities, but also partaking in or making his own contribution in his own way in different universities also. So it's indeed an honor to have you here. He is also Dean, as communicated by our anchor, in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. So the topic is really of a very vital importance, and sir will be speaking on that. I don't know, very honestly, so much of dimensions because I have gone through at different times, but I have seen its outcomes, how it really influences lives of others. If it is implemented, if it is imbibed, if it is carried on with the right spirit. Obviously, there have been distortion, there have been manipulations when we talk about cooperative. But whenever it has been implemented in right spirit, there have been, including white revolution. So, I'm sure, since many of you, I'm sure, will be working directly or indirectly with this domain, because as a common person, we are not aware of. But as now it's a digital age, I'm sure you will be, with this takeoff, some of you might be aware already, but many of you will take off and then you will realize how huge, how vast it is. And it has a scope for you, perspective. You will be a catalyst in the national development, because I see it as one of the key areas which influence the growth of the nation as well. So I once again thank you, sir, and I'm sure you will find some, not only soldiers, but and actually BBA for having planned this at a right time. And so, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Chauhan Sahab, the faculty of SRMS. This year institution, as you told, that I'm the faculty of management of Abdul Kalam Technical University. Apart from that, I'm director of the management department of faculty. On the various platforms, we discuss and appreciate Ramswarup College. Not because I called them and then organized you. No, it's not like that. Ramswarup Institution is one of the best institutions of our AKTU system. And I told your honorary director that today I have come here to discuss with you people about cooperatives. But it's a mixture kind of thing, friends. Cooperatives. In our economy, there are three types of enterprises: public sector, private sector, and another one is cooperative sector. You know public sector, Navratnas, other government institutions like UPSRTC, government-owned run organizations are public sector. Ambani, Adani, Maya Company, your company is private sector. But one of the most important kind of enterprises that is known as cooperative sector is unknown to you. Whereas, dear friends, not because I am working with Government of India Ministry of Cooperation, it's a fact. Cooperatives are also very important. It's a democratic institution. When we 10 people come together, start some kind of business activities for the mutual benefit. In private sector, we are working for our own benefit, whereas in cooperative sector, we are working for mutual benefits. In cooperative sector, democratic principles are being applied. आप लोगों में से कोई बच्चे हमें बताइए कि क्या आप कोऑपरेटिव के किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम जानते हैं? Anybody please? At the place Anand, there is a milk union run under cooperatives. मैं यहाँ आपसे मिलने जब आया हूँ तो आज चर्चा होती है तो रामस्वरूप का नाम आता है। रामस्वरूप के टीचर्स का ही नाम नहीं आता है, रामस्वरूप के बच्चों का भी नाम आता है। आप फ्रेंड्स, I'm retiring after 1 year. And in a time span of 30 years career in known for its teachers, because of its students. Ram Swarup if it is flourishing, excelling in the field of education, it's all because of the selection of the students. You are better staff. लेकिन सिर्फ आपको यूनिफॉर्म पहन के फोटो खिंचवा के इससे काम नहीं बनेगा बच्चे। अब आप लाइफ के स्पेस पे आए हो जहां आपको करियर देखनी है। करियर में कहाँ जाना है तो आपको अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में। मैं अभी बॉबी सर से कह रहा था कि बॉबी साहब आप अपने बच्चों को इफ्को, क्रिफ्को, नाफेड, हैफेड, एनसीडीसी ये सारे कोऑपरेटिव इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं। आपने कभी अप्लाई ही नहीं किया, आपके दिमाग में ही नहीं है कि यहाँ भी हमारे लिए अच्छी जॉब है। If you can try for all these institutions, our students, they are getting selected in all these institutions. And for your kind information, this year only, in the year 2022, Government of India has made a special Ministry of Cooperation. And there is a clear instruction, and I can put your name over there, where the institution Ram Swarup can be attached with Government of Uttar Pradesh for the summer placement of the students, for career placement of the students. In your 75 districts of UP, there are district central cooperative bank. The post of general manager, DGM, AGM, senior managers are being filled, and now the Government of India has put this condition that you have to go for campuses. अगर यूपी में बात आएगी तो रामस्वरूप भी आएगा। आपका यहाँ से सिलेक्शन हो जाए, you can become the DCM, you can become the AGM. Dear friends, I have come here and for the sake of informing, it's an awareness program, and I opted the one and only one college in Lucknow, that is Ramswarup College. Bobby ji, it is all because of you. No other colleges. I thought it is one of the best colleges of Lucknow. I'll get good kind of better stuff. I talk to them. I will tell them to promote cooperatives. I tell them to go for research in cooperatives. Dear friends, आपको पता नहीं है इस देश की 80% आबादी सहकारिता से, कोऑपरेटिव से डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली जुड़ी हुई है। कोई उसमें जॉब करता है, कोई उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करता है, लेकिन आप अगर इससे नहीं जुड़े हो तो ये बच्चों इस राष्ट्र की बदकिस्मती है और थोड़ी बहुत आपके लिए। आप अगर इंजीनियरिंग करके इफ्को की जॉब पाओगे, कोई भी पब्लिक सेक्टर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इतनी अच्छी पे पैकेज नहीं दे रहा है जैसे इफ्को दे रही है, क्रिफ्को दे रही है। एंड फॉर योर काइंड इंफॉर्मेशन, द चेयरमैन ऑफ क्रिफ्को belongs to UP. The MD of IFCO is from Unnao. अगर IFCO जिस पद पे आप जाओगे 40,000 रुपए पे, IFCO just telling you otherwise gives 50,000, 60,000. I'm talking about the difference. Dear friends, my humble suggestion to you all is not only come to the class, और एक चीज बता दूं आप सबको ईमानदारी से, अब आप अपने करियर के स्पेस पे आ गए हो जहां आपको करियर कॉन्शियस होने की भी आवश्यकता है। What I can be after 2 years, what after completing the course, where I will be, how I will be excelling in the career. You people are better staff than me, honestly telling friends. जब हमने MBA किया था, this is called management. So your generation is better, and you can use all these things in your career. You can excel like anything. अब कैसे आप एक्सेल करोगे? तो एक चीज बता दो, SHG. What is the abbreviation? Area. They base their own group, and this group helps themselves. Sector, cooperative, इसको क्रिस्को, एक्टिव सिस्टम में आपके कई गुरुजी हमारे PhD करके आते हैं, अच्छा लगता है। और जब द यंगर वन, शी हैज रोट ए बुक, वह इंडिया वो वाला इंडिया नहीं है। जब हम लोग बच्चे थे तो गेहूं का सीजन खत्म होता था तो हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स रशिया जाते थे, अमेरिका जाते थे, गेहूं दे दो। आज तो 3-4 चीज कोऑपरेटिव क्या है, कैसे चलता है। इट्स ए मेंबर ड्रिवन इंस्टीट्यूशन, जो लोग बैठते हैं आपस में चर्चा करके इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, हो गया। मुस्कुराइए कि आप एक ऐसे प्रोफेशनल कोर्स को कर रहे हो जो कोर्स आपके जीवन में आपको एक सफल इंसान बना। Unfortunately, this is my first time I came to this institution, but I've heard lot about this institution. मुझे शुद्ध नहीं लगी। मैंने कहा बेटा जहां जाओगे गालियां मुझे मिलेगी, इस बेईमान ने इसे MBA की डिग्री दी थी। आप अपने में हुनर लाइए, अपने ज्ञान में वृद्धि कीजिए, और तब जाकर के मार्केट में जाइए। आप आगे आगे चलोगे, डॉक्टर या आपके पीछे पीछे चलेंगे। मैं इवन टीचिंग के लिए बात कर रहा हूं। अभी मुझे 150 लोगों को अपॉइंट करना है इन इंटायर यूपी, लेकिन मैं जानता हूं कैपेबल लोग नहीं आएंगे। कोई आएगा, सर ये इसका भतीजा है, ये इसके रिश्तेदार है, आप इसको ले लीजिए। नहीं, आप अगर कैपेबल होगे तो मैं ईमानदारी से कहता हूं आपके लिए बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटी है। So dear friends, on this auspicious occasion, that is 27th of March, I'm grateful to you people that you spared your valuable time to listen to me, and I give you all thank you for being the patience, you excel in your career, be good, and there should be a smile on your face. Thank you, and thank you very much.